Just awoken in the desert. Backpack, tent went pretty good. Bike's there ready to go. Trying to hit some sand. Drop the tire pressures. Big day. Big day of sand riding. Who will survive? Probably not Nick. Doing tire pressures. Going down to 14-ish on the front. Gonna do 16 on the rear. I don't have rim lock, so I have to do a dodgy thing to get the pump to work. So we are just about ready to head off into Little Desert, into the sand. Incredibly soft sand. It's actually even softer than the Simpson. Little Desert is some of the softest sand ever experienced. It's really freaking hard to ride in, especially in these sections where it's kind of like where there's campsites and stuff and there's like turns. Way harder. It's actually easier when you get out in the open bit. Fully loaded. All the weight got in the panniers and the tank bag. Trying to keep my backpack as light as possible. 10 litres in the big jerry, about 5 in the little. So 15 plus 14 in the tank. Like 5 litres of water. Ready to go once these boys stop dilly-dallying. It's a good system you got there.
It gets harder as it gets heavier.
She said.
My bad hands.
Work the core, Nick.
The old pee into the... Could you do you just come up with things to be able to get ready slower? You're like, I could just pour this water in the thing, but I'll piss in it at half a litre per hour. You look, he hasn't done his bag yet, hasn't done his straps and stuff. Nothing. I'm ready for freaking an hour or two. Ready to go. We'll just meet you at the end, mate. No. The freaking cafe will be closed.
It's like a water feature because he's so still. It's like a concrete.
It's like a Roman aqueduct where it's just constantly spraying out. You just collect water. No sand is this soft. In the Simpson, nothing compares to Little Desert, how soft it is. And it's all chopped up and it's... I'm gonna go for third. Third gear, right, let's go. Bike's bogging down. A little 250, man. It actually almost doesn't have enough power to get through this sand. It's so soft. We are not sand gods right now. We are sand struggles. Oh, I can't believe how much my bike is actually full bogging down. Come on. Oh, and that's just to get out. We have to go actually out to the national park just to start. A Little Desert, and then it's 100 k's. That's about a kilometre at a campsite. Oh my god, we're gonna do 100 of it today. Right, here we are in Dimboola, town just before Little Desert National Park. There we go. Going into the desert. I came here like a month after I just bought my WR. It's the first place I ever camped. No, 5 long years ago. Plug in South Australian border, eh? We're heading in. This is where it begins, doesn't it? Frick, I remember this crap. Yes, this is it. This is way better. She is just bog city. Oh, like third gear's like just... Oh yeah, third baby, third. That's how it was. Just gotta go faster, mate. What everyone says. Look at that. Now we're moving. That reminds me of Goog's track. Bloody vegetation on the side. Ah, good. I love a desert, man. Once you get into it, I was hating it this morning. Once you get into it, it's good. I'm going to stop and let old mates catch up. Oh, humble Jeep. What's going, champs? The humble Jeep. Oh, we did that pretty quickly. I'm moving. You're like 4 Ks. Be done in no time. Man, why do I like deserts so much? Like, there's just literally nothing out here, but it's like, it's awesome. Like, look at those clouds and stuff in that sky, man. Like, you can see it raining over there and shit. It's just awesome, man. Why do I like deserts so much? Like, I hate sand, and there's nothing in deserts. The lake. I want to go in it. I'll just go to the edge. Just the edge. I'm going. Woo. She's all right. Wheelie the lake. Nah, that was way too soft. Way too soft. I don't know. I need the 450.
How many kilometers is this do that?
That's about 8. We got 100.
That's a tenth of the way.
Yeah, piece of cake all day, man. Easy looking Nick. Nick's having a blast. Oh yeah, all over the shop. Yes.
That campsite this morning, yeah?
Yeah.
On the river? Yeah.
Yeah, that bit was really freaking hard. So you made us feel bad because you guys just roared through it.
We're probably about 100 kilos lighter than
You're about 400 kilos lighter than the 1190. The lads on the CRF 450Rs. No, I was meant to go. Oh shit, is that a walking track? Nah, that's a freaking walking track. I'm going the wrong way. Sand? I hate sand, but shit, when you get it right, it's so rewarding. I think that's why people do it, because I'm sure no one actually really loves sand. The feeling of out of controlness of your bike, but it's so rewarding when you actually kind of get it right. Screw my rule of 60 Ks an hour. We're gonna do freaking 100. We've got big Ks to do today. And we've had some dilly-dally. So it's already midday and we've only done like, and the track that I was trying to do, it was gonna be 110 Ks or something across the little desert. But the track was a walking track, so we had to detour about 35 Ks or something. So we've pretty much only just barely done that 30K detour. Really just starting to really cross the little desert. We had to go down and then back up. And all you want to be doing is just going as west as possible. I'll put it on a map. It's like a straight line that we're trying to do. We're actually hitting west now, so June coming up. I'm just going to hit it 4th. Get a bit of speed up. And once you get your sand legs back, you just fly. That's the good thing about crossing deserts, is like your bike just gets lighter and lighter. The further you go, the easier it gets. That 4th here is great, man. I thought 3rd was good, mate. Do I dare go for 5th? Nah, I'm not that much of a psycho. Freaking 85 Ks an hour and deep soft sand is fast enough for me. I'm no Toby Price. Rip in the corner. Shotgun not helping. Riding with Tom never helps. You're strong, Brendan. I'm on filming duty. Let's run him over. The jet ski 1190 throwing sand. Dab City. What's this before?
Oh, really? That's a good lift.
The boys. The boys.
That's a nice trip. That's a highlight. That's a nice highlight.
Hey.
The Prads.
Couple of girls in the Prads. We're going to go past them in a second.
With the big boys. That's a nice car.
We're going to fly past them. I'm going to do a wheelie past them because that's where we're going.
I don't want a Land Cruiser.
23 Ks to go.
See your hardest part.
Come on, Nick. Yes, yes. First gear. Yeah. Yes. minutes less to go. Nick has given up.
I'm gonna do it again.
Oh, just break.
Yeah. What? Oh, it's just a strap. It's alright.
Rip. Quality clips and straps on those Desert Foxes.
Yeah.
All of them are broken.
Yep.
Let's go. 10 litres in the tank. Australia. Done. Change your clocks. In a different state. Little Desert National Park. Complete. South Australia.
Yep. That's South Australia.
Fuck you, South Australia.
Neb's pissing on South Australia. This is Victoria. This is South Australia. We did it.
Say, mate.
We
made
did
it.
it.
The big smoke.
We crossed all of Little Desert National Park.
SA.
Done, mate.
The best state.
You know what we do now?
Piss on it. No. What?
Pub meal.
Pubs. South Australia pubs
Pubs.
are the best.
Take a tree in the face. Ah! Kind of era, back to 42 psi, eh?
No,
42.
no one rides at 42 PSI. It's just
I do, champ.
I know, you're psycho.
I love a 42
You're a
psi.
sociopath.
Keeps these knobbies fresh. Alrighty, gents, at the campsite in the Grampians. We go to this campsite a lot. Good campsite. A lot of people here though.
Busy, Tom.
Ultra busy, mate. We got the two Mac back daddies. Best buds.
Which one's the better one, Tom?
Mine's actually looking a little taunter from this side. Little taunter. Ping, ping. That's an E sharp right there. There's an E sharp. Then we got Nick with his poor Kathmandu tent. Nerves in the woods because he wants to.
Oh, sorry, man.
That's a B flat right there. Nerves set up over there. He's got the camo tent. About to get on the drinks and cook some steak. He's already on it, mate. Right, we've got Jack Danielson Coke, titanium frying pan, titanium fork, Leatherman for a knife, olive oil, dead horse, 2 Scotch fillet steaks. Ready? Two. Come in.
You know, with cancer.
You guys from Brighton? Sorry, mate, I'm from Glen.
Oh, yeah.